Yeah, this is a Lenovo H530 that we'll be upgrading the RAM in. Okay, first thing to do is to take the cover off. Yeah, the RAM is located right next to the processor. There's two slots. Each one can take 8 meg sticks of RAM. To make it easier to see what's going on, I'm going to take the DVD drive out. Alright, to put in the new RAM, you'll need to push back these brackets so that it can be seated in place. And by doing this, there are little levers that push the old RAM out. You'll notice that there's a long slide and a short slide, along with the corresponding grooves. We'll install the new RAM. I'm using some Kingston RAM. I'll have it listed in the posting. And all you're going to do is push it in till it snaps. Line it up. And put everything else back together. Fire it up. As you can see, there's 16 gigabytes of RAM available.